What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Recycled Firefighter headquarters box for April 2022. For $49 a month, they'll send you whatever the item of the month is. Typically variations of existing products or sometimes new products that have yet to be released from Recycled Firefighter. And this subscription is a little bit unique compared to some of the other subscriptions I do on the channel in that you know what you're getting ahead of time. So if you follow Recycled Firefighter on Instagram or YouTube, you'll have a sense of what's in there. And so I already do know what's inside this one, and that's kind of just par for the course. And if you don't want to know, of course, you can just kind of avoid that social media. But you do have the opportunity to opt out if it's something you're not interested in. So with that being said, let's get into it. I'm opening it up today with the Damn Designs Basilisk, which I don't know actually with this cardboard if I really even need it. I could probably just tear the edge out, but that's all right. And this envelope is so big that it's happening a little bit off camera, but that's okay as well. So inside this one, we have his Warrior leather tool roll. So let's go ahead and get this giant paper out of the way, as well as my invoice. And here's a take 10% off your next order with thanks 10. I'll have a link down in the description if you're interested in checking out the monthly subscription or any of the other products on Recycled Firefighter. But so what we have is a tool roll using their Warrior leather, and this is actually the leather that I guess the military uses in their jungle boots. So on the outside you've got like kind of a durable outer texture and a little bit softer of an inner texture here. And along the bottom there are 7 tool slots. I think the widest are about 3 inches. Actually, right here, I can just measure it. Yeah, so the first 2 slots are about 3 inches, and then they move down to 2 inches for all of the rest of the slots. So you got 2 3-inch slots and 5 2-inch slots. And so I have a couple tools. I don't know if they're going to fit or not. There were just tools that that weren't in the toolbox, just kind of floating around. And so just kind of wanted to get an idea of what we can kind of fit in here and go from there. So that fits pretty well. As you can see, the other ones are a little bit bigger, so we'll see how this goes. I think this might be kind of a little bit too big, honestly. So we can fit this probably in there as well. No, that's maybe in the other slot, but not in this slot. But I think these are going to be too big anyway. Let's just kind of see. So ideally you'll want to be able to fold this over. So we're going to want to go with some shorter tools, which I don't have handy, but we can put just some random things in here just to get a sense of what this is like. It's a little snug for that as well, but that's okay. I'm just going to shove a couple of these rulers in here. What else do I have handy? Not much. That's okay. So just shoving some kind of tools in there. And this is probably as big as you're going to want to go, and you just kind of fold this over the top and then roll it up. And again, the reason you're going to want to not go to the top of that is so that you fold them to the top and it's not going to be pouring out once you have it rolled up. And then on the outside you have this nylon strap. It's about 1 3/4 inch, and then a kind of metal bracket here. I think he said it was a steel parachute buckle, and you can just kind of run that through here and tighten it up there. Probably did that backwards actually, but that's okay. And so rolled up, you'll get a kind of nice compact roll. I probably could have rolled that a little better. You can see that it's a little bit coming up right here, and that's okay. But nice compact roll. He has a knife roll of these as well, but typically they sell this in the recycled fire hose material, and so you're able to get that there. You have its tag here, it's kind of box stitched in, and a really sturdy buckle here. I'm gonna open this back up just to get it open there again. And so again, I think this is probably about 7, maybe 8 inches. Let's see. These are only 6-inch rollers, but we can get a sense of how long this is. Okay, so this might be a little bit longer than that actually. So we got 6 inches here, and another, let's say, 3 inches. So this is about 9 inches long, so a pretty long tool. And this is just at the edge of as long as you're going to want to go with this roll. So I'd say probably 8 inches is a good rule of thumb here for what size tools you're going to put in there. And just keep in mind that you are going to get a little bit thinner as you go further down the line. And so these end pockets, not only are they shorter, but they're thinner. And so you're going to want to kind of get smaller tools as you go down the line. But overall, a cool way to carry some tools that you can just kind of roll up into a nice compact package and take with you. Good for on the go. Probably not a perfect solution for at-home storage, but a really good solution if you just want a set of tools that you can throw in your car, throw in your backpack, anything like that, and then roll up into a nice compact frame. Obviously empty, it's going to roll up pretty small, much smaller than it would if you have stuff in there. But just to give you a sense again of what that's like, we're going to run that through here and then back through here. And so empty, you get a really much smaller footprint, but obviously you're not going to be carrying it like this. So just a good way to carry some tools on the go, a cool package. The Warrior leather thing is something he's been doing recently. I think 2 months ago, I want to say, we got a pouch in Warrior leather as well. And so this is that same material, kind of matching. Both of these typically come in that fire hose material, but cool to see this series going. He also has a knife roll, which I want to check out. I think it was in a previous subscription. But right now there's like an overstock sale of those previous subscriptions. Usually you can't buy anything that comes in these subscriptions on the website, but again, they have some overstock, so he's clearing that out. So I might check out the knife roll as well. It's obviously going to be a little bit smaller, but in a different material. I think it has that Cryptek pattern on it, so pretty cool looking. And again, just a nice way to carry your gear out if you're on the go. Again, probably not the best storage solution, but not bad either. It's gonna protect it from most outside wear and be compact, but you can't see what's inside, so that might make it a little bit difficult if you are looking for your tool and you don't remember which ones you have in the roll and which ones you have in a box. So again, not a great solution for home carry. But if you're interested in checking this out, well, this month's already passed, so they're gonna have the May subscription, which will ship out on the 1st of June. Probably in the next week or so, you'll start seeing a little bit about that on his Instagram. And the link for the headquarters box is only active when it's for sale, and so it's not always there. So right now you probably can't find it on the website, so I won't be able to link to it directly, but it will pop back up once the May contents are announced. So if you're interested in checking out anything on the website, make sure to use this thanks10 code. It's not an affiliate code. I do have affiliate links if you are interested in checking it out, but be sure to at least use the code so you get your 10% off. And thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the Warrior leather tool roll down in the comments below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Take care.